Hello, hi friends. This video is for to fix the Samsung M31 sound issues. I faced the similar problem and I did the below setting to fix the issue. Normally, I was able to hear my a voice through hands-free earphones, but I cannot able to hear from the my main speaker or phone. So what I did the below settings. So I will advise you just try and check whether it will fix the problem or not. Just step 1, go to setting. Step 2, select general management. Third, select reset. uh, Fourth step, it will ask for reset all settings. Friends, here do not worry, none of the settings will go away. Only the settings which you have done for sound and other normal settings for the screen display, this setting will be resetted. Apart from all this one, all security settings, banks IDs, everything remain intact. Then after once you reset all the setting, the phone will restart automatically. Then step 5, don't forget to do this step. Restart your mobile, switch off and switch again. Hope you will find your phone working. There is no sound issues. Thank you.